Hi again, everybody. It is the last day of May 2022. We had a key pivot date. Our last swing date for May was the 29th. Expected this high to come in over the weekend. It came in early in the morning yesterday on the 30th. You can see we had this cluster of white and bright green windows in four different panels. We had two whites and two greens. The high came just outside of that, so we missed by a touch, but the windows still ping the high. And now we're trading down. We expect this to be a swing date reversal, so the downtrend should resume for the next few days at least. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel pressure for the week. Here's the Astro Excel on a 30-minute chart. So you can see from Sunday night into Monday, we had this upward pressure. We peaked out right here at 3 a.m. The high came in a couple hours later at 6 a.m. And then we started to trade down as the green line has started down. The green line is going to be going down through. Today it bottoms out around 12:30, 1 o'clock, and you can see where we are the rest of the week. We are basically flat between 0 and minus 3, minus 2, minus 3. And even the blue line is rotating up and down, but we're not getting outside the 10 lines on the blue line. But we do have some peaks. We've got a spike peak today around 10:37, and then we make low tonight at about 1800. And then we've got the rest of the week, we're inside the 10s pretty much until we get to Friday, and we have this 10:50 a.m. spike down on Friday. So pretty much flatlining as we get past this low point today. So we come in, we hit this low about 12:30, and then we go flat. So we don't have a lot of astro pressure. Not saying the market's not going to go up and down. It's just we do not have a lot of astrological pressure here. Going back to the Vedic chart, you can see we've got these three windows today. We've got this white window, this next white window, then this green window. You can see we made low right here in this white window. Now we started bouncing back up out of there. So we've got a decent, had two tradable reactions long as we hit that white window off of that overnight high from yesterday, or in the morning yesterday. Anyhow, it gave us two opportunities here. We're going to come into another window here now. This window's going from 7 to 10. The minor spikes are around 7:30, and this little green window from 8:30 to about 8:45. Then we've got this green window 11:20 to about 2:55 in the afternoon, with key potential for that pivot to take place at the 12 o'clock to 12:20 time frame. So I'm kind of looking at this to possibly be a high, and then the green window to be a low later in the afternoon. So that's what we got for today. We'll be back again in a day or two with another video. We'll see you then.